Here we have another tinned meat product, Pek Chicken. This is cured and chopped chicken with added water. So basically 95% of what they claim is chicken is actually water and a load of other crap. And there is your formed chicken. I don't think we've done chicken yet. I'm hoping not. I'll have to check. You may never actually see this video if I actually figure out we've done chicken. Alright, a lump of chicken. Tastes like slightly mashed up chicken. It's okay. I mean, you can go and buy slices of chicken breast from Morrison's for £1, so I don't see much advantage to buying this for £1, to be honest. But each to their own. It's actually proper chicken, most of it I think. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it says chicken 72%. So 3/4 of the way chicken and some filler crap. So it's not too bad. But as always, if you have enjoyed this review, please give it a like. Please follow me on Patreon. I'll link in the description below. Subscribe to see more content, and I'll catch you later. Bye.